In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to change Instagram name on your laptop and how we can do this. So if you have already logged in and if you wanted to change the Instagram name and if you feel like you don't need it, this is what we have to do. So the first thing is all about make sure that you have to get into a Google Chrome and make sure that you have to go over here called Instagram.com, and this is how we have seen and I have already logged in. And from here, what you need to do is on the left side, you can see we have this kind of an option. You have to click on the profile over here like this. And this is my profile. And right now, what I need to do is just go over here, click on edit profile. That's going to take me to this. And from here, I have to click on the account center over here. Now from here, what I need to do is just wait for a couple of seconds and I have to select the account in which I wanted to change. So I'm planning to change on my Instagram account here. So I have to click on this. Now that is going to take me to this and I'm having various options here. The very important thing is the name and the username. So if you wanted to change the name, I have to click on this and here called username. This is actually a name or a unique name that being created by username by our side, by the user in order to filter it while you're searching. While you're searching, the username is what we search, so it will filter up and a profile appears over here. So this is how we can find by the people. So now if I wanted to click on the name, I can change it. Now they're going to ask me the question what I wanted to change. I can change it, for example, whatever the changes. And also make sure you can only change your name twice within 14 days, not afterwards. So make sure once you change it and if you save it and if you go back, this is how it looks like. And this is what we have to do. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.